What is up, my people? We're back. Who the heck are you guys? Well, I'm a Sniggle. He's German, kind of. Okay, come on, let's go. Hey, what do you think you could just go? This is our house. Actually, this was ours. Yep, it was ours. Yep, give it back. Oh, really? Who the H is these people? A, language. Theory. Oh wait, is that a human? Oh, it's a human trying to blend in with the grass. I got my eyes on them. I got my eyes on you. And everything that you see, Panda. Get her. Hold her down. Whoa. Stop it. Stop. Get it out of me. Ow. Get her. Hey, you shot Panda. It wasn't me. Sure it wasn't you. I swear, it wasn't. Hey, lady, you got one more chance. It wasn't me. Yes, it was. How do you know? How do you know it was me? Because you could tell with a gun in your pocket. And I have a... Oh, get her! Later that evening. Well, we just killed her. I still think it wasn't her. Why would you still think it's not her? Well, because she said it was not her. Hey, you can't always believe the people. Yeah, you can't always believe them. What am I gonna do? I know. Oh, be right back. I know what I'm gonna do tonight. Not like anybody's watching. Like there's not a camera here, it's just air, right? I'm going to kill the pack leader and take over. Okay, so, are you gonna leave? No, we're not leaving. This is our house. Well, technically it's theirs. It's theirs.